Three of the biggest mistakes that husbands make while availing of their civil and criminal remedies against the wife. Part 1. I asked this husband client, you finally got around to filing a civil suit for damages against your wife. Did you do it in the city that you are residing, which is far, far away from the wife's city? Or did you file a civil suit for damages and injunction against the wife in the city that she is residing? And the husband says, oh, I did not know I could file this case in my own city. I filed the case in the city where the defendant resides. And I said, she already has filed cases on you. She already has her lawyer fighting those cases against you. How much of difficulty do you think her present lawyer will have in taking up this new case that you filed against her in the same jurisdiction as her? The lawyer already knows about all the facts and the situations in the dispute between both the parties. It's going to be a cakewalk for that lawyer to defend the new civil suit that you filed against him in the wife's city of residence. Instead, you should have filed the case in your own city. Now, how do I build jurisdiction? There are various ways that jurisdiction can be built out because, well, as a lot of lawyers know, a civil suit can be filed in 3 jurisdictions. 1, where the defendant resides, which obviously you did. 2nd, where the subject matter of the property is situated. But most importantly, 3rd, was relevant for our case, where the cause of action arose. Now, let me give you an example. Husband lives in Bombay, wife lives in Delhi. The husband calls up the wife from Bombay to Delhi. The wife on the call gives him threats of extortion, intimidation, and says a lot of uncouth, uncivilized things. Defamation. The defamation we can do on some other video, but say perhaps extortion, intimidation is done on the phone. Now, where was that extortion, intimidation? Where did the cause of action take place? Cause of action took place in the city of Bombay, where on the phone the threats and the extortion threats and the intimidation was done on the phone, and therefore Bombay jurisdiction is now made out. We've got 2 more other big mistakes that people make when availing of their civil and criminal remedies. We'll talk about them in the next 2 videos.